Hi there. I'm looking for a good veggie dish online. And I found a vegetable side dish called Succotash. It looks yummy. I think we should try it. It is my best paired with my daddy's recipe of pan-grilled pork chops. Welcome to Balang Super Cook! Now let's get cooking! Succotash is a vegetable consisting primarily of sweet corn with lima beans or other shell beans. Other ingredients may be added as such onions, potatoes, turnips, tomatoes, bell peppers, corned beef, salt, pork, or okra. Today we will make okra and corn succotash. The ingredients are whole kernel corn, okra, tomatoes, remove the seeds please, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. Saute onion and garlic in butter and olive oil. Add the tomatoes and okra. Toss in the corn. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. We can also add dried thyme for that extra flavor and aroma. Remove from heat and transfer into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and mix. This added acidity. That's so easy, right? Later, I will let mommy taste it. Now, let's do my daddy's version of pan-grilled pork chops. We need pork chops, salt, pepper, store-bought barbecue sauce. First, drizzle the skillet with olive oil or vegetable oil. Place pork chops in pan and sear for 5 minutes on medium heat. Season with salt and pepper. Flip the pork chops. Season to another side and sear for another 5 minutes. Add in half cup water and half cup barbecue sauce. Cover and simmer on low for 5 to 10 minutes until cooked through. Let the pork chops sit a few minutes and then serve with a jollof rice and succotash. That's so easy and delicious. For the jollof rice, I just cooked in the rice cooker with 1 tablespoon margarine, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and annatto powder diluted in hot water. Now I'm getting hungry. I'll call my special guest and food taster of the day, Super Mommy Bona!
Thank you.
So yummy.
Yeah. It tastes so yummy too.
Yeah, this is the succotash. You should try it, guys. It's really delicious.
It's really yummy.
Yes. This is so yummy. It looks so yummy, right? But did you like it?
I like it. It's not too salty. And I like the grilled barbecue flavor. I like it. It's perfect with the. Is this succotash?
Yeah.
It's really, really yummy, guys. You should try it. Batang Super Cook is very good.
Yeah.
Look, guys, Batang Super Cook will eat vegetable. Will eat succotash. Look, he's so very good. Wow.
Wow, it's so delicious and yummy. I hope you like our recipe today. Remember, whenever we eat, drink, or cook, do it all for the glory of God. Mommy say that you can start by. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.